Hello, my friends. It is bundle time. Are you ready? Okay, first of all, if you go to the website and you don't see this, two problems. Number one, you might not be a club member. If you are a club member, you need to log in. Number two, if you're a club member and you don't see this listed first, that means it's gone. So get in quick. Ready? What does the word bundle mean anyway at the Stamps of Life? It means you save even more. So not only are these brand new items at regular low price, then flash sale price, you also get a bundle price, so you save even more, and then you get your club discount on top of that. It's amazing, you guys. Okay, ready? Dun, 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 dun. So first of all, you get more sweater to stamp. So you get the vest stamp set and the scarf and the cute little hanger. Love it. You're also getting other items to decorate your sweater for your club set. These are not club items, by the way. These items are not being sent to you automatically, okay? So you need to get these. So this has a cute little things to decorate your sweater, more words. Then there's lots of fun words like sending warm wishes wrapped in a cozy sweater. May your holidays be as colorful as your favorite sweaters, and so many more. Then you're also getting this gorgeous sweater background die. I absolutely love it. Then you're also getting the dies that match the stamp set and the dies that match the other stamp set. I know, you guys, it's crazy. And last but not least, are you ready for this? We have a new gatefold. And let me just tell you, it is the most adorable house fold that you have ever seen. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you all the samples for all of these awesome products. But I wanted you to see the bundle video first so you can get in on it ASAP before it sells out. Because once it's gone for good. So go quick, thestampsoflife.com, log in when you're a club member so you can see this and get it. If you are not a club member, join the club now, and then you'll be able to see it. Okay? Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.